Hello guys, welcome back with Wasi Banda. Today I'll be reviewing with you a platform called Beefy Finance. Now, Beefy Finance is a project that allows you to go ahead and literally beef up your money. Now, you can do pretty much anything you can do in decentralized exchange. You can go ahead and stake your cryptocurrency or technically put a pair of cryptocurrency for yield farming. Now, this being said, I want to highlight that Beefy Finance itself is not a decentralized exchange. You cannot buy cryptocurrency here and you cannot sell cryptocurrency here. You can literally put your own cryptocurrency, force them to go ahead and literally increase it for you. Now, how does this work? Well, simply Beefy go ahead and partnership with other decentralized exchanges, Pancakge Swap, Baby Swap, and pretty much any swap that you can think of. Because they have a volume, because there's a lot of people go in and put their money here, they are able to negotiate much higher return. And this is why I like this platform. Now, I want to highlight there is risk of using this platform. So it's not all flowers and happy thoughts. And for that reason, because you go ahead and put your money in, guess what? The crypto, they are using smart contracts. Smart contracts have the risk of failing. And if it fails, you can lose your money. So one thing that Beefy Finance did, they went ahead and partnership with an insurance company. I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. And the company name is InsureAce. I'm not really familiar with InsureAce as a company. I've done some research. I could not find any negative reviews about them. And what they are doing is they're charging you 2.9% annually in order to cover in case anything goes wrong. Now, I'm going to be honest, for 2.9%, I don't mind. And the reason for that is the crazy return I'm making on Beefy Finance. So again, I'm going to put a link for both InsureAce as well as Beefy on the description. But let's go ahead down and see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at some of these returns. D-share and BNB. This pair, if I go ahead and put it, and again, I have to buy it on Pancakge Swap, and then I can deposit here. So you cannot buy the pairs here. You're going to go ahead and see whichever exchange they're highlighting here. You go in, you buy the LB token, which is the two coins together, or in case you have only one cryptocurrency, you can go ahead and deposit it directly. But again, you have to have the money in your wallet or the token in your wallet. Now, let's look at the first one, D-share and BNB. They are giving crazy return right now. The ABY is more than 72 million in a single year. Yes, this is the ABY. It's just crazy. Now, what they're highlighting on daily basis, you can get around 3.7%. Wow. Just imagine where can you put your money in a single day and get 3.7. Now, I want to highlight, I'm not familiar with these shares, so I cannot recommend them. And you need to know exactly what cryptocurrency you're depositing. So for me, I'm putting the cryptocurrency that matter to me. This is exactly what you have to do. You can do your homework. If you think this share worth it, you can deposit it. Again, this percentage, you need to understand they're going to change. The more money people are putting in, the lower the percentage is. But my experience with Beefy so far is, even if I go ahead and put money, even if the ABY goes down, it doesn't really go to a really bad point. I see in some other aggregators, if I put my money, I can eventually earn like 10% a year. That's crazy. Here, I have seen it goes down to a few thousand ABY and still very fine. Like, if I can even get 5,000 ABY on my money, I'm golden. Now, let me show you some of the stuff I already deposited here. Now, I started using this just a couple of weeks ago. Let me show you the static and BUSD. Now, static BUSD, the static cryptocurrency, I wasn't really familiar with it enough. And I want to highlight that when I bought all of these, they were on their peak. So a lot of the cryptocurrency, because, Bitcoin have been going down, it affected everybody else. Now, the static have been dropping. They are not going crazy, but I think they're being affected a lot with Bitcoin. Now, when I started, I deposited around $35, I think, in total. Look at how much my total. I'm making almost $80. $80, even though all the cryptocurrency are going down, I'm still killing it. And let's look at my return on daily basis. I'm earning more than 1% every day. And for that reason, I stick with this. Now, I start putting the other cryptocurrency or the other pairs I like. So Baby BNB, I had a lot of these. I have Baby USDT. I have them on Baby Swap. They are not making me anything close to here. Now, I want to highlight, if I put this token on Baby Swap, I would be earning only one cryptocurrency. What I'm earning here is a token. So I'm giving them Baby BNB. They are beefing it up for me. Wow, I love the beefing. And I'm going to go ahead and withdraw this money. Now, my target is beef them up enough, then go ahead and put them back in Baby Swap and print baby coins. It's one way of doing it again. So I'm earning 3.38 on Baby BNB and BUSDT around the same percentage. So it is really decent return. Now again, I cannot tell you what to invest or what to put your money in, but just look at the crazy return. For me, this is gonna be one of my favorite. I'm honestly planning to use the insurance, even if I take risk with 2.9% a year, compared to the return I'm getting here. Hey, you can keep the 2.9 and just keep my money safe. Now, just an FYI, I am right now showing you this on the Binance Smart Chain. You can actually use it with other networks. So Beefy is actually partnership with a bunch of them. Look at this. Polygon, Avalanche. So there's a bunch of these networks. If you are using any, or if you have wallet with any of these networks, you have money on it, you can go ahead and stake it and start making money. I'm gonna be honest, so far my experience with Beefy Finance overall have been very positive. I also done some research and I have not seen a single negative review about Beefy Finance. People have been using it because of the crazy return. They are happy with it. And as you can see right now, as of the time I'm making this video, they're managing more than $225 million. This is crazy. So again, I personally will continue to use this. Again, before I start putting more money right now, I have just a little bit over $300. I want to make sure my insurance kicking in. So hey, if something goes wrong with the smart contract, I'm in the safe side. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe if you are not subscriber. Thank you guys and stay tuned with We'll See Benda.